Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's doing good. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I looked yesterday and 72% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe guys. Click that button and subscribe. And if you want notifications, click the little bell. Okay, today we're going to be making a centerpiece. You could also use it as a floral arrangement or as a door swag. I picked up this tree topper at Dollar General for $5 and it's very lightweight and it came in two colors. So you'll need one tree topper and then you'll need some flowers. And I picked up the poinsettias also at Dollar General. The taller, bigger bunches are $3 each. The smaller ones are only $1. And then I also picked up some floral picks at Walmart and I went with the white picks also. And I will leave a materials list for you in the description box below. And the Walmart picks were only 97 cents each. Okay, if you're going to be making it to use as a door swag, you're going to need to cut some holes in your little hat. And we added 4 holes and we also added a rock to weight the bouquet. So if you're using it as a door swag, you're going to need the rock. If you're using it as a centerpiece or floral arrangement, you can just use the foam or tissue paper. Now here's the rock, and this is a real tricky balancing act to get it to hang correctly on the door. So I actually flipped my bouquet over the first time I hung it up. So my husband put 2 more holes in it, and then we put the wire like that and added the rock to get it to balance. But if you have little kids constantly running in and out and by it, or if you have a door that has a lot of traffic, I wouldn't recommend using it as a door swag. For the bottom, you can either fill it with foam or some tissue paper. So I just filled mine with a couple sheets of tissue paper, and then I started with the taller bunches of the poinsettias, and I added 3 of the $3 bunches of poinsettias from Dollar General and 5 of the $1 bunches of poinsettias from Dollar General. So just kind of push them down into it, and then you'll want to fluff them and kind of shape them. And you can add more if you like. It's just whatever you like. And like I said, I just kind of played with them, shaped them until I had the little hat nice and full and fluffy. I am going to use mine as a floral arrangement on my husband's grandmother's antique sewing machine. So I will not be hanging mine up because, as y'all know, I have 2 kids and they always get in a hurry and, don't always watch where they're going. So I'm not going to hang mine up, but I'm going to use mine as a floral arrangement. So this is how it looks with it nice and full. Now I took some of the floral picks that I purchased at Walmart and I just placed them wherever I thought they looked good. I was really shocked today when I went to Walmart. They have so many pretty Christmas picks out right now. They have some real pretty holly, they have some real pretty pine cones, just all kinds of really pretty floral picks. Lots of them have lots of glitter on them because my husband commented about the glitter being everywhere. Does anyone else have a husband that complains about glitter being everywhere? I always get in trouble for glitter being everywhere. It's on me, on the table, on the carpet, just everywhere. It gets all over us. So it seems like we're always wiping glitter off our face when we get somewhere. Okay, so I added 5 of the 97-cent floral picks from Walmart to this bouquet. And like I said, I love the way it looks as a door swag, but just in my house, having kids, it's not going to last. It's going to be upside down. So maybe if you stick it in foam, then the picks won't be as easy to flip over, maybe a little more weight. Maybe I just didn't have the wire right, but it just didn't work out for me as a door swag. So I'm happy using it as a floral arrangement. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Like I said, I'd love to have you as a subscriber if you have not subscribed. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. And I hope y'all have a wonderful evening.